Now today we will do a new chapter. Okay, so take out your maths book. This is your maths book, math site. Take out this book and come to page number 33, that is chapter 4, shapes and space. Okay, today we are going to learn about shapes and space. So can you see this room? There are lots of things in this room, right? So what we have to do, you have to look at this picture, and then you have to fill the blanks with on, under, above and below. So you have to fill these blanks. So all of you have learned the above, on, below, under, top, button. You have learned all this, right, in your English book. Now above means what? Above means upar. Below means what? Below means niche. Okay, on means upar. I have put my pen on the book like this. On matlab upar. Now after this, top means also upar. Okay, this is top and this is bottom. Next, near means kache. Dekho, I am standing near the blackboard, so it is near. Samne hai na, kache, samne hai na, that is near. Then far means dur. Like this, I am far away from the board, right? So the meaning of far is dur. Now rolling means, suppose this is a pen, and if you put this pen here, what will happen? It rolls down, right, like this, right? So this is called rolling. Roll hona, ghumna. Okay. Now next is sliding. Now if you put this duster the same way, then is it roll or is it slide? Let's see. Suppose this is the book and I am putting the duster in this way. So what will happen? It slides down, right? It will not roll. It slides down. So when we put the pen in the slanting area, it rolls. But when we put the duster in this slanting area, what will happen? It slides. So like this, if you put a box in the slanting area, what will happen? It slides. Okay. Now after this, so okay, we will do this part later. Okay, first we will do up to this sliding. So above means upar, below means niche, on means also upar. Okay, on the book, the pen is on the book, and above means upar. The fan is above my head. Then below means what I will say, the book is below this board. Okay. Now after this, under, the book is under the chair. Under means bhitar or under. Now after that, top means upar, bottom means niche, near means dur, near means samne, and far means dur. Roll means ghum ke gir jana, that is rolling. And sliding means, as I have shown you, the duster is when I put the duster here in the slanting area, what will happen? It doesn't roll, it slides. Okay. So now we will do this exercise from your book. Your first question is, the fan is dash the bed. Can you see the fan? And this is the bed. Where is the fan? Above the bed, right? So you have to write here above. Then next question is, the book is dash the table. Where is the book? Book is here. So where is the book? Book is on the table. Now next is a ball is dash the chair. Where is the ball? Ball is there. So ball is on the chair. Chair के ऊपर है ना, so that's why on the chair. Another ball is under the chair, under the table. Except this ball, there is another ball here. Where is this ball? Under the table. Table के नीचे. Then some books are dash blankets. Now look here. Can you see the blankets? So where is this book? The book are on the blanket. Blanket के ऊपर. Now the last one is the calendar is dash the picture. Where is the calendar? This is the calendar, and we have to find out what is the calendar. The calendar is below the picture. This is the picture, and picture के नीचे देखो calendar है. That means the calendar is below the picture. Okay. Now turn the page. Come to next page. We have discussed about top and bottom. What is this? This is a stair. Look, the cat is sitting where? At the top. ऊपर बैठा है ना? That is called top. And the dog is sitting the down. That is bottom. Okay? So you have to do this part. What is that? The question is write the names of the object which are on top and under. You have to write the name of the objects which are on the top and under. Now top of the table. This is a table. Top of the table. What is this? Ball. And under the table, what is this? Doll. Now top of the bed. This is a bed. So top of the bed, bed के ऊपर bag. Under the bed, bed के नीचे pillow. Okay. Now next question. Tick the object which is at the top of the tree and cross the object which is under the tree. So this is a tree. We have to tick the object which is top of the tree and cross the object which is under the tree. So at the top of the tree, what is this? This is a bird. So you have to tick the bird. Okay. Then under the tree, what is this? This is a lion. So you have to cross the lion. Now after this, do this. Fill in the blanks. The dash is at the top of the tree. What is at the top of the tree? Bird. पेड़ के ऊपर बैठा है. That's why top of the tree, bird. The dash is below the tree. Tree के नीचे कौन बैठा है? Lion. So lion is below the tree. Okay. Now turn the page. Come to the next page. Page number 35. Now here we have to do which one? Near and far. Near means सामने या सामने and far means दूर में. Okay. So the cat. Where is the cat? Here. The cat is near the door. देखो, door means दरवाजा. दरवाजा के सामने बैठा है ना cat. So the cat is near the door. And the mouse. Where is the mouse? This is the mouse. So mouse is far from the door. ये door से बहुत दूर है ना mouse. That's why that means it is far from the door. Now what you have to do? Here in this picture, you have to circle the car which is near the traffic light. Now which one is traffic light? Yes, this one is traffic light. How many colors are there in traffic light? 3 colors. What are they? Red, yellow and green. So this is a traffic light. You have to circle those cars which are near the traffic light. Near means सामने. ट्रैफिक लाइट के सामने एकदम करीब कौन है? कौन सा कार है? देखो तो. You have to circle that car. Okay. So this white car is near this traffic light, right? So you have to circle this car. Now next is name the objects which are near and far from the bicycle. Now where is the bicycle? Yes, this boy have a bicycle, right? So what we have to do? We have to write the name of the objects which are near and far from the bicycle. So बाईसाइकिल के सामने जो चीज़ है उसका भी नाम लिखना है और जो दूर में है बाईसाइकिल से उसका भी नाम लिखना है. So near कौन क्या है? what is there near the bicycle? This ball, right? So write here ball. And what is far from the bicycle? This radio. So write here radio. Okay, done. Now come to the next question. Here in this question, what is this? Draw two balls. The ball which is near the girl, color it red, and the second ball which is far from the girl, color it blue. So can you see this girl? The girl is standing. Okay, so you have to make two balls. One is near from the girl and one is far from the girl. So the ball which you have drawn, which you will draw near to the girl, color them with red, and the ball which you have which you will draw far from the girl, you have to color them with blue. Okay, so this part is your homework. Do it in your home. Page number 35 is your homework. Okay, now turn the page, come to the next page. Now rolling and sliding, I have already discussed about what is rolling and what is sliding. This ball can roll, right? In slanting place, the ball can roll. Look, this is a place where we play. This is a slanting part. So when you put the ball here, it rolls down, right? घूम के गिर जाता है, right? And when you put a box in the same place, it doesn't rolls, it slides. Okay, so we have to, in this part, what we have to do, color the object that rolls. जो object rolls होता है, घूम के गिरता है, we have to color those objects. Like ball can roll, but duster cannot roll, it slides, right? I have shown you. Now, and crayon is also like pen also can roll, like crayon also can roll. Okay, so you have to color ball and this crayon. Now after this, complete the table. One has been done for you. Okay, there are some objects name, and here you have to put the tick on those objects which roll. You have to put tick, and here you have to put those tick on those objects which doesn't roll, which slides. Okay, so chalk can roll. So here a tick mark in roll is already done, and it cannot slide, so you have to put cross. Now duster cannot roll, so you have to put cross mark, and duster can slide, so you have to put tick mark. Water bottle can roll, so you have to put tick mark, and water bottle cannot slide, so you have to put cross. School bag rolls, no. Slide, yes. Plate roll, no. Slide, yes. Coin roll, yes. Slide, no. So in this way, do this part. Okay, now turn the page, come to this part. Now straight line and curve line. Okay, now I will show you some straight line and curve line. These all are straight lines. This is also a straight line, this is also a straight line, straight line, straight line. These all are straight line. There are various type of straight line. Okay, so this is all a straight line, and now I will show you what are curve lines. These are curve lines like this. Okay, these are curve lines. Which type of line is this? These are curve lines. Today we will discuss only two lines. One is straight line and another one is curved line. Now look here, you have to tick the curved line. Here if you see in this part, you can see that there are various lines, curved line and straight line, curved line, straight line. So you have to tick only the curved line. So this is a curved line and this is a straight line, so you have to tick this curved line, don't tick the straight line. Then after this is also a straight line, so we don't need to tick this one. So this one is curved line, so you have to tick this one. This one is curved line, so you have to tick this one, and this one again is a straight line, so we don't need to tick that part. Now next part is put a tick for the correct type of line. So here are some lines. We have to find out which one is straight line and which one is curved line, and we have to tick according to that. Now first one is which line? First one is straight line, because it looks like it goes straight, right? There is no curve, so it is a straight line. So we have to tick the straight line box. Tick here. Now next one is curved line. Can you see the line? It is not straight, right? It looks like this. So this is a curved line. So tick in this part. Now this one is straight line, tick here. This one is curved line, tick here. Okay, in this way you have to do these sums. Now turn the page, come to the next page. Now we will discuss about various shapes. Okay, now look here, which shape is this? We already learned about various shapes, about the names of various shapes, right? So which shape is this? We all know this is a circle. Which shape? Circle. So can you tell me one name, one example of a circle? Any object which looks like a circle? Yes, ball. Ball looks like a circle, right? Like this. So circle, can you see there are any sides or corners? So circle has no corners. This is round. There is no corner. Look, in square there are corners. These are corners, okay? These are corners. But in circle there are corners? No. That means circle has no corners. For example, the bangles. Have you seen the bangles which your mother or your sister wears? Chudi hota hai na, chudi? That looks like a circle, right? Now you have to remember this thing, that circle has no corners. Now which shape is this? This is a triangle. Triangle. Which shape is this? This is a triangle. So triangle has how many corners? 1, 2, 3. So it has 3 corners. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so can you give one example of an object which looks like a triangle? Yes, have you seen a pizza slice or a sandwich? It looks like a triangle, right? Like this. What is this? This is a pizza slice. It looks like a triangle, isn't it? Yes. So this is an example of a triangle. So triangle has how many corners? Triangle has 3 corners. And circle has how many corners? No corners. Okay? Okay, now after this is circle, triangle, then after that which shape is this? This is a square. So how many corners are there in a square? 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 corners, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. So there are 4 corners, and how many there are 4 corners, and how many sides are there? 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. So there are, in a square there are 4 corners and 4 sides, and all of them are in equal size. Okay, in square all the 4 sides are equal, but in rectangle, which one is rectangle? These two are rectangle shape. In rectangle, these 2 sides are equal and these 2 sides are equal, but all the 4 sides are not equal. This top line and the bottom line is equal, and this left side and right sides are equal. Okay, so in square this is the difference between a square and a rectangle. They both have 4 corners and 4 sides, but square has all sides are, in square all sides are equal, but in rectangle all sides are not equal. Now give me one example of a square of an object. Name one object which looks like a square. Have you seen a dice? With the help of that dice we can play Ludo right? So it looks like a square, all the sides are same, right? So example of a square is dice. Now example of a rectangle is, you can say this book is also a rectangular book. Look, these 2 sides are small and these sides are long, right? So this is an example of a rectangle. Or if you can hold the book in this way, look, these sides and this side are small, and this side and this side are long. These 2 lines are long. So this is an example of a rectangle. Okay, now come to the another shape, that is oval. We all have seen the eggs. We love to eat eggs, right? So eggs looks like what? Eggs looks like an oval. It looks like an oval. And in oval there is a slight difference between a circle and a oval. Oval looks like this and circle is totally round. Okay, so and they both have no corners. In oval also there are no corners, and in circle also there are no corners, but it is little bit long. So the example of an oval is egg. Now look at page number 38. What is written here? Color the circle in red, triangles in blue and squares in green. Use your crayons. So with you have to color all the circles in red and all the triangles in blue and all the squares in green. Okay, so take the colors and do it in your home. This is your homework. Now after this, our next question is write T for a triangle, C for a circle and S for a square for the given objects. Can you see there are 3 different objects? You have to find out which one is circle and which one is square, which one is triangle, and put C for circle, S for square and T for triangle. Okay, this is also your homework. Now turn the page, come to the next page. Here page number 39. In this page what you have to do, you have to color the rectangle in green. You have to only color the rectangle. Which shape is this? This is a star, this is an oval, and this is a triangle, and this is a rectangle. So you have to color only the rectangle with green crayon. Okay, after that draw 2 objects that have the shape of a rectangle. You have to draw 2 objects which have a shape of a rectangle. Okay, so this 2 part is your homework. Now turn the page. Come come to the next page. Here what you have to do, that is page number 40. Here you have to do, tick the objects that have an oval shape. You have to tick only those objects which have an oval shape, that is this shape. Okay, so there are few objects. You have to find out which one have oval shape. You have to tick on that shape. Now after that, in this part what you have to do, color the objects having an oval shape. You have to color only those objects which have oval shape. Okay, among all these 6 objects you have to color only those objects which have an oval shape. Now turn the page, come to the next page, that is page number 47. Now here we will now discuss about solids. What are solids? Now many things in your home and at school, like the picture below, you can see and feel them. The things which we can see or which we can feel, see and feel, that are called solids. Like this pen, I can see this pen, you also can see this pen, anybody can see this pen, and we can also touch this pen, right, like this. So this is a solid. Okay, so there are different types of solid shapes. We have learned about shapes, now we will learn about solid shapes. So like cylinder, sphere, cube, cuboid, cone. So these are solid shapes. Which shapes? Solid shapes. This is a cylinder. A cylinder has 3 faces and no corners. Can you see any corners here? No. So a cylinder has only 3 faces. Okay, 1, 2, 3 faces, but there are no corners. A sphere has 1 face and no corners. A sphere is also look like a circle. It has no corners but 1 face. A cube has 6 faces, 12 sides and 8 corners. In a cube there are 6 faces, 1, 2, 3, 4. There we can see that 6 faces. This orange color, this is a face. Okay, so in a cube there are 6 faces and 12 sides. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, in this way we have 12 sides and corners. These are corners. There are 8 corners. Okay, so a cube has 6 faces, 12 sides and 8 corners. Now what is this? This is a cuboid. A cuboid has 6 faces. A cuboid also has 6 faces, 12 sides, and it also have 8 corners. But what is the difference between this cube and cuboid? Cube looks like this and cuboid is little bit long from cube. Okay, now what is this? This is a cone. Now a cone has 2 faces, 1 vertex and 1 side. So a cone has how many faces? 2 faces and 1 vertex. This part is vertex and 1 side. So after this, what you have to do here, how many faces do the given shapes have? Here are the names of defined shapes. You have to write the number of faces these shapes have. Like cylinder have how many shapes? How many faces? 3 faces. Sphere have how many faces? Which one is sphere? This one is sphere. Sphere have how many faces? 1 face. Cube, which one is cube? This one. Cube has how many faces? 6 faces. Next, what is this? Cuboid. Which one is cuboid? This one is cuboid. Cuboid has how many faces? 6 faces. And last one is cone. Cone has how many faces? 2 faces. So do this part, and last part is trace the given shapes and color them. There are some objects. You have to trace these objects and you have to color these objects. Okay, so these are your homework. After that, come to the last page, that is page number 42. What you have to do, put a circle around each figure that has the same shape. Here are some shapes and here are some objects. Among these objects you have to find out these shapes. Okay, so which shape is this? This is a sphere, and there are 3 objects. Among these 3 objects which have sphere shape, This globe have sphere shape, and this ball have sphere shape. So you have to circle this one and this one. Now next one is cube. Which among these three pictures, which one have cube shape? This box have cube shape, and this dice have cube shape. Now which shape is this? This is cylinder. Cylinder, among these three pictures, which one have cylinder shape? This torch have cylinder shape, and this tin can have cylinder shape. So circle these two. Then what is this? This is a cuboid. So this among these three pictures, which are cuboid shape, which have cuboid shape, this playing cards have cuboid shape, and this cornflakes packet have cuboid shape. Okay. Now last one is cone. Now in these three pictures, which have cone shape? This woolen ball have cone shape? No. This cap have cone shape, birthday cap have cone shape, and this ice cream cone have cone shape, right? So you have to circle these two. So these all are your homework. Do it in your home. So for today this much. We will meet again in our next video. Thank you.